Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your ElevenLabs subscription plan quickly and easily. If you no longer need ElevenLabs or want to avoid automatic billing, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to cancel your subscription. The first thing that you need to do is to log in to your account. And then after that, click your profile at the bottom part and then click on subscription. And then click on the manage billing info. And then here you will be able to see the current subscription that you have, and you will see the cancel subscription if you have subscribed on their subscription plan, and then you can now follow the on-screen instruction to confirm your cancellation. And then that's how you cancel your ElevenLabs subscription plan. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.